In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira and explain what an epic is. Let's dive into Jira, Atlassian's powerful tool used widely in project management to help teams organize their work into manageable parts. An epic in Jira is essentially a large body of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks, often referred to as stories or issues. It's a crucial element in agile methodology, allowing teams to map out high-level projects and track progress effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to your Jira homepage. This is your main hub where you'll have access to all your projects, dashboards, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it houses everything you'll need to manage tasks. Once you're on your Jira homepage, look towards the top navigation bar and click on the Create button. This button is your starting point for adding any new issue types to your project. It's conveniently located so that you can quickly start crafting your next epic or any other issue type you need. When you click Create, a window will appear prompting you to select the project you'd like the epic to be part of. Jira allows you to manage multiple projects simultaneously, so it's crucial to ensure that you select the correct project. This step ensures that the epic aligns with the project's goals and is visible to the appropriate team members working on the project. After selecting your project, the next step is to choose Epic as the issue type. Jira provides various issue types, each tailored to different kinds of work within a project, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Epic. Choosing the right issue type is essential for maintaining organization and clarity within your project. With Epic selected, you'll now fill in the details of your epic. Start by entering a distinct and descriptive name for the epic. This name will serve as a quick identifier for your team, so make sure it captures the essence of what the epic entails. Following this, write a summary and a deep dive description that thoroughly explains the scope and objectives of the epic. These fields are important for providing context to all team members who will work on or review this epic later. Feel free to fill in any additional fields that may be relevant to your epic. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, the final step is to confirm all the entered information and create the epic. Before hitting the Create button, it's always a good practice to double check your entries for any errors or omissions that may affect the clarity or execution of the epic. Congratulations, you've now successfully created an epic in Jira. This new epic can now be tracked and managed throughout the project's lifecycle, helping you and your team stay organized and on track. Remember, creating a well-defined epic is fundamental to effective project management and team collaboration. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Happy project managing!